Yeah, hi, this is Jim Rush with Trenchless Technology Magazine. I'm here with Mike Guinto, with project manager for Terrace Construction out of Cleveland, Ohio. Terrace Construction is the contractor on the Ferncliffe Avenue waterline rehabilitation project here in Cleveland. Mike, could you just tell us a little bit about Terrace Construction, what kind of work you do, and how you got involved with that project?
Yeah, Terrace Construction's been around for 27 years now. We've been doing waterline cleaning and lining with cement mortar for 17 years. So we do a yearly project with the city of Cleveland, and it was a part of their project was a CIPP pilot project, and it's kind of just a natural progression for us to go there as technology advances.
You were saying a little bit about the similarities between cement mortar lining and cured in place lining. Can you talk a little bit about some of the similarities as you were mentioning, and then maybe some of the differences too?
Yeah, cement mortar is not a structural liner. The CIPP, the AquaPipe we use in this case, is a structural liner. So cement mortar fixes problems with flow and smoothness, but it doesn't give any strength to the main. Similarities, it's the same overall process. You have the temporary water bypass system, and the cleaning's the same process. The only difference is the installation of the liner, which is a relatively simple process.
Okay, and about the Ferncliffe project itself, can you give us a little bit of details and of how the installation went, how many feet, and as well as how it went overall?
The project went pretty well overall. It was 2,040 feet of 6-inch cast iron main that they decided to line. Typically they would replace a main like that because it had a bad break history, but they chose to try the CIPP liner.
Okay, and how about from the perspective of Terrace Construction, what you guys felt about the process, and whether or not you see a future for that type of work?
We like the process. It is something we see in the future being very useful, especially under places like railroad tracks or bridges or creeks. It's a good way to rehab a line and add structure to it without having to dig and replace it.
Okay, as far as the City of Cleveland, any feedback from them on the program and what they feel about the process?
I know they were impressed by the process, and I think they will use it in the future. It's just finding the right place for everything.
Okay. All right, thanks, Mike.
Thank you.